Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super exciting because I just got my hands on this new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've been waiting for this camera for quite a while. I was looking on all over the internet to pre-order this thing, but I couldn't find anywhere. Finally I found one. Let's see if this camera in 2025 is still worth it. Let's do the unboxing. So the first impressions of this camera, I really like it. It's a very portable camera. You can just put this camera in your pocket, especially when you're a vlogger, just doing any type of quick content. Also, this camera is quite compatible. It comes with a DJI mic in the box, so the camera I bought, it's a creator combo. It comes with a mic, and the process of connecting the mic with the camera is pretty quick. All you have to do is just put your mic on, press the turn on button, and you turn your camera on. And it automatically connects with the camera and starts recording. You don't have to go into the camera, or you don't have to press anything in the camera to actually connect it every time. I find it very useful when you just on the go, you're just gonna vlog, you just flip your screen in the camera and you're ready to go. And as I mentioned earlier that I've got the creator combo, it comes with this very nice DJI camera bag. So you can put your camera in there, and also you can put your charging cable. Well, this is how it came. So this camera also comes with this portable battery. So if you're out there doing your vlogging and you need a bit more of charging, so you can just plug that underneath the camera and this will give you some more battery. And also it comes with this protective case by DJI in the box. So once you're done with your vlogging, you can just turn off your camera and you can put the camera back into this very nice and sleek case, and you can just put the whole case in your pocket so the lens stay clean and doesn't get scratched in your pocket. Best thing about this camera, you can shoot in 4K 30 frames per second, and you can go up to 60 frames per second in 11080p. The next thing about this camera is this camera have a 1-inch camera sensor. It's definitely not bigger as of these digital cameras, but it's I would say it's very useful, and it's definitely bigger than a normal any iPhone camera, which will give you quite crisp 4K resolution if you're doing some B-rolls, if you're just vlogging, if you're doing cinematics. The next best thing about this camera is this active tracking. So when you're in the front camera mode, you select the active tracking. So mine is on automatic, so when I would turn the camera on, it turns on, and as you can see, wherever you move, the camera just moves with you. It's very good when you're actually vlogging and you're holding the camera and you have to like move right or left, or you're just walking. The camera will just moves with you. So overall, my first reaction of this camera is for someone who's just starting their YouTube channel and who are quite embarrassed of going into the public and filming themselves with a phone, because it does get quite awkward for some time, because I used to vlog myself on the iPhone, and you have to vlog like this, screen out, so people see on your screen what you're recording, and that does get a bit awkward sometimes. If you're dealing with a situation like that, I would highly recommend buying this camera. It's quite portable, just fits in your pocket. I have invested quite heavily in this camera, so I better be making some good vlogs out of it. Next week, me and my wife, we are going away on a cruise, and there'll be a proper series of my vlogs. So stay tuned if you want to watch those vlogs and my final review of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video. If you like this video, just give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.